Okay guys, this slide is just saying that if you have two shapes that are similar, any sides that you pair together that match up, they're going to come out with a scale factor. So on our problem that Mr. Lee just did for us, that one, the scale factor is 5/3 because we matched two sides up, we found the ratio, is 5/3. So that's also the scale factor. So that's all that's saying. So in this diagram, it's telling us that triangle DEF is similar to triangle MNP. We want to find the value of x. So it told us that it's similar. That means that all the angles are going to be the same and that the sides should be proportional. Okay? So I'm going to look right here and I'm seeing that. Okay, so anytime that you have two things that are similar, remember Mr. Lee also used the word proportional. So if you hear similar, you know you've got proportions, which if you have an x or you're solving for something, then you're going to do a fraction equals a fraction. So that's what we're going to set up for this problem. So I'm just going to start with triangle DEF, and I'm just going to pick a side that has a number, not an x with it, okay? So I'm going to pick side DE, which is 15, okay? So I'm going to go 15, and it's going to go on the top, and then I'm going to see what it matches with. Mr. Lee likes to use the letters. I like to use the letters and the pictures too. So DE matches with MN. So then I'm going to go to DE is 15, then MN is 18. So I'm going to put that on there. Then, after I do the first fraction, then I want to choose the one with the x because I'm solving for x, right? It wants us to find x. So then I'm going to go to x. I go back to my original picture. So I started with DEF. So now I'm going to go back to DEF, and that's my number on the top. So x will be on the top. Over, then I have to find the side that matches with x. So x is EF. That means NP matches, which is 30. So now I have my fraction equals a fraction. I can solve. So I'm going to go ahead and make my x and then multiply them. So I have 15. Actually, I'm going to make x be on the left because I like that. So we have 18 times x equals 15 times 30. So I have 18x equals, what is 15 times 30?
450.
450. Then I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to divide by 18 on both sides. So
25.
x equals 25. There you go. Anything you want to add?
Shaking.